Hello everyone. I am your host Ayushi Karasetia and welcome back to our channel Pabbly. So in this video we are going to learn how we can add Elementor Form's responses to Grist automatically. So first let us understand what these software applications are all about. So in this particular automation we are using two software applications. The first one is Elementor Form, which is a form building software application and it is a plugin of WordPress. So in place of Elementor Forms, we can also use Contact Form 7, Gravity Forms, Google Forms or any other form building software application. And the second application we are using is Grist, which is a spreadsheet program with database functionalities. So in place of Grist, we can also use Google Sheets, Airtable, StackBy or any other spreadsheet program. So the idea here is that you are a business owner and you have embedded a form on your website to capture the leads. Now you want that whenever the customer fills that form on your website, automatically the details of the customer should be added as a new record in your Grist table. So this automation will be helpful in organizing your customer database for the future references, for your customer follow-ups, or when you want to connect your customers for sending promotional messages or offers, or there can be many other reasons for creating this particular automation. So in order to create an integration between Elementor Forms and Grist, we are going to use a software application named Pabbly Connect. So basically, Pabbly Connect is an automation and integration software which will help us in integrating both these software applications automatically. The best part here is it doesn't require any coding skills or programming knowledge. Even a non-technical person can use this software application very easily. So first we have to create an integration between Elementor Form and Pabbly Connect. Then Pabbly Connect is going to capture all the details of the customer whenever the form is submitted, and using the details of the customer, automatically a new record will be created in your Grist table. And in this way, we are going to learn that how we can create an integration between Elementor Forms and Grist using Pabbly Connect. So let us learn the integration process now. For this, let us type Pabbly, pabbly.com in our browser. This is the website of Pabbly. Here we have to come to Products and click on Pabbly Connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. As you are the first time user, you have to click on Sign Up for Free option. You can create your own account in just 2 minutes by clicking on this option. And you will get 100 tasks free every month. As I already have an account with Pabbly Connect, I'll simply click on Sign In. In the All Apps section, come to Pabbly Connect and click on Access Now. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we have to create a workflow. For that, come to this plus sign and click on Create Workflow. Here we have to give a name to the workflow. So let us give the name as Add Elementor Forms Responses to Grist Automatically. Here you can give the workflow name as per your requirement and simply click on Create. Now here we can see a trigger window and an action window. So Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So in this use case, we want to add the Elementor Form responses to Grist automatically. For that, open this trigger window and here in the Choose Application, let us find Elementor Forms. In the trigger event, we have to select New Form Submission. Now here we can see a webhook URL and some instructions are also mentioned. So by following these instructions, we can set up the webhook in our Elementor Forms. So I'll copy this webhook URL from here. I'll take you to my WordPress dashboard. So this is the WordPress dashboard. Here I have already created some pages. I'll be moving to the pages section. And here I'm just going to use this particular page, that is A to Z Home Appliances Services. I'm just going to click on Edit with Elementor. So this is the web page where I have embedded my form. I'll scroll down and here we can find the form. Okay. I'll just close this navigator window. And from here we are going to minimize this form fields. Now here we can find actions after submit option. Open it. And here we have to add the action. For that, click on this plus sign. And here we have to add the webhook. As soon as we select webhook over here we can find the webhook activated. Open it. Now here it is asking for the webhook URL. So we have to paste the same webhook URL which we have copied from Pabbly Connect. and click on update. Okay, so webbook is updated on this particular page. Let's go back to Pabbly Connect, and here we can see that it is waiting for the webbook response. So in order to capture the response, we have to do a test submission. It means we have to fill up the form on the name of a customer. So I'll just take you to the form. Okay, let's scroll down. Here we have to fill up the details on the name of a customer. Let's give the first name as Shikha, last name as Arya, email address as shikhaarya22@gmail.com, and let's add the mobile number. Okay, and let's click on submit. Okay, and here we can see the form was sent successfully. So the form has been filled. Now let's move back to Pabbly Connect. And here we can see the responses received and all the details related to the customer are captured over here. Here we can find the first name of the customer, last name, email address, mobile number, form ID and the form name. So now we want that using these details of the customer, automatically a new record should get generated into the Grist account. For that, come to this action window. Here in the choose application, let us find Grist. In the action event, we have to select create record. Click on connect. Click on add new connection. Now it is asking for the token. So let us read the instructions. Log into your Grist account. Navigate to profile settings from the account menu on the top right. Create or access your API key. Okay, so I'll just take you to my Grist account. So this is the home page of my Grist account. Here we have to come to the profile and click on profile settings. And here when we scroll down, we can find the API key. So we are going to simply copy the API key from here. We will go back to Pabbly Connect and we will be pasting the API key over here as a token. Okay, and let's click on save. Okay, and now the Grist account is connected to Pabbly Connect just because I was already logged into my Grist account. So make sure before creating a connection, you are logged into your Grist account. Now here you have to select your team name. So in my case, it is personal, which is automatically captured. Here you have to select your workspace name. So the workspace name is home in my case. Here you have to select your document name. So I'll just take you to my Grist account once again. Let's go to the home page. So here I have already created some documents. Okay. So the document which I am going to use right now is Elementor Leads. Let's open it. And in this particular document, I have created a table named lead data where I have taken the columns for the first name, last name, email address and the phone number of the customer. So if you want to add some more fields over here, by clicking on this plus sign, you can add the columns or the fields as per your requirement. So let us select the table name over here. First we have to select the document. So the document name is Elementor Leads. And as I have created just one table in this particular document, the table name is automatically captured. Okay. Now here we have to select the here we have to map the first name, email address, last name of the customer. So we have already got the customer details from the form submission over here. So we are going to map all these details now. Let's scroll down. Here we are going to map the first name from Elementor. Here we have to map the email address. Here we'll be mapping the last name. And here we have to map the phone number. So we have mapped all the details. Now let's click on save and send test request. Okay, and here we can see the responses received. It means a new record is created in our Grist table. So let us check it. And here we can find the first name as Shikha, last name as Arya, email address and the phone number. So in this way we can see that our integration is working fine and a new record is created in our Grist table. So let's move back to Pabbly Connect and let's save this workflow first. Data saved successfully. Okay, so now we have to check this in the real time, whether our integration is working fine or not. So I'll just go to the form once again and I'm just going to refresh it so that we can fill up the form on the name of some other customer. Let's give the first name as Kuldeep. last name as Jan, email address as jank11@gmail.com, and let's add the mobile number. Okay, let's click on submit. So the form is sent successfully over here. Now we have to check our Grist account. Okay, and here we can find the details of a customer named Kuldeep, Jain, email address and the phone number. So in this way we can see that our integration is perfectly working fine. Let's go back to Pabbly Connect and I'll just minimize all these windows and let us see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. So first we have created an integration between Elementor Form and Pabbly Connect. Then Pabbly Connect has captured all the details of the customer through the form submission. And using the details of the customer, automatically a new record is created in your Grist table. And in this way, we have created a successful integration between Elementor Forms and Grist using Pabbly Connect. So not just these software applications, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. In case of any queries, you can connect us to this Pabbly forum. To check the pricing details of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this particular URL. Also, the link of Pabbly Connect and this workflow is available in the description box. You can clone the same workflow into your account directly. If you really like this video and this video are helpful for you, then please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.